Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I'm your clever money girl, and today I'll be giving you 5 surprising ways to get rich quickly. Now, most people think that becoming wealthy is something that only happens to a lucky few, but I'm here to tell you that's not true. There are a lot of things you can do to increase your wealth, and today I'm going to share with you the best ones. So sit back, relax, and let me show you how it's done. Number 1. Develop a profitable skill that is up to date. Making money nowadays appears to be as simple as clicking a mouse. You can easily make hundreds of dollars using a laptop and the internet. But how exactly? Profiting from skills is one way to make money. Here are 3 modern day digital skills that can help you earn a profit. Number 1. Digital marketing. Have you ever seen advertisements on Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok? These are modern methods of product promotion. Demand for digital marketers is high. Digital marketing is one method of promoting products through various media platforms such as websites and social media. There are online courses and videos available to help you learn digital marketing. If you can get the hang of it, the possibilities are endless. You can benefit from your creative side if you have one. Number 2. Graphic design. This is popular and in-demand skill in the digital world. This skill necessitates familiarity with basic graphic design software packages such as Adobe Creative Suite as well as the other free design software such as GIMP. Making money through art is a piece of cake once you've honed your skills with these programs. Number 3. Coding. This will never go out of style. It is one of the most financially rewarding skills in the digital world. Analysts of data, web app developers, and web designers, all of them necessitate coding abilities. Learning to code is now so simple that anyone can actually do it. If you want to work in programming, you should learn to code. Creating a second source of income can be difficult, but it is possible. These skills such as coding, graphic design, and digital marketing pave the way for you to maximize your potential. These abilities can be acquired through online courses and videos, which are frequently available absolutely free. Start learning these skills now if you want to start earning more. Number 2. Hire a financial coach. Assume you have a 10-year-old business that is doing well but not growing. You want to try e-commerce but don't know where to start. This is where a mentor comes into play. A mentor is someone who has been in your shoes and exemplifies the person you want to be. The best person to ask about how to transition a 10-year-old business to e-commerce is someone who has been in your shoes and done the same thing. Do you want to be richer in 2022? Then get a coach. Why? They will assist you in shifting your paradigm in order to achieve your financial objectives for 2022. Many successful people have received guidance from coaches and mentors. Leaders, innovators, and entrepreneurs build their success on the advice and assistance of their mentors. David Shaw, for example, mentored Jeff Bezos. Freddie Roach coached Manny Pacquiao, one of the greatest boxers of all time. Sir Isaac Newton, one of the history's greatest minds, was mentored by Isaac Barrow. These individuals are brilliant. They were experts in their field, but they still needed someone to mentor them. Your ace in the hole is the right mentor. They will direct your thoughts in the right decision and push you toward your goals. They will help you achieve your goals faster than you could on your own. Even if you have the greatest mind in the world, you still need an outside perspective. It will be difficult to identify your flaws if you are unable to listen to someone who has been in your shoes and successfully overcome the flaw you currently have. A mentor will tell you straight up if the path you're on is a waste of time. They will help you focus, which will speed up your success. Your success is also your mentor's success. The important thing to remember is that a mentor is already aware of everything you are going through as you transition from one path to the next. They understand how easy or difficult it is because they have been in your shoes. They are aware of building secret. Why do we sleep? How does it assist the average person in earning more money? Sleep, according to Allman and Company, improves physical and general health, aids in learning and memory, and recharges psychological batteries to maintain emotional balance and well-being. A good night's sleep is essential for overall health. Getting enough sleep provides more energy for productivity because your body relaxes and rejuvenates during sleep. According to a study conducted by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, wealthy people sleep more than the average person. This is because the wealthy have better sleeping environments and can afford medical treatment for any potential sleep disorders. How many hours of sleep is enough? According to a study conducted by the ASA or the American Sleep Association, 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night is sufficient. Make a better sleep schedule to accomplish this. It does not necessarily imply that you must sleep and wake up at specific times, but rather that you must get enough sleep. You can juggle time periods to your liking. Of course, getting enough sleep is easier if you are consistent in when you go to bed and wake up. Get enough sleep to kickstart your financial success this year. This will aid in sound decision making and overall mental well-being, making you more productive. Are you still with me? If you do, that's awesome. If you want to improve financial outlook, don't forget to subscribe to your Clever Money Girl. I post videos daily to help you get financially smart. And while you're at it, don't forget to click the like button and bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. Number 4. Accept failures. Failure may be viewed negatively by some, but it is necessary in order to increase wealth. Failing is unavoidable for anyone who experiments with new ideas. However, the prospect of failure can deter many people from venturing outside of their comfort zone. Our comfort zone serves as a safety net. However, it is rarely useful in achieving financial success. If you do not take a step forward, even if failure is possible, you are less likely to stay in your zone and will not achieve your goal of increased wealth. They have been successful people who have failed in their chosen field. Walt Disney was fired from his newspaper job due to a lack of imagination, of all things. Milton Hershey founded 3 candy companies before founding the Hershey Company, all of which failed. Even Bill Gates' first company, Draft O Data, was a total flop. These people didn't use those failures as setbacks to achieve success in their fields. When you fail at something, most people pick themselves up and try again. They're carry as one if the failure never happened. However, doing so will slow your progress towards wealth. Instead of jumping from one idea to the next, consider failures as learning experiences that will help you succeed in your next move. Learning to accept failure implies that you are rethinking your approach to financial success. Identifying whether an idea works or is a waste of time can help you improve your performance and wealth. Failure has a negative connotation in our society. Instead of viewing failure as a negative, consider it as a positive. Things that did not go as planned are just drills. Failures may appear in our path from time to time. These failures are a natural part of being human. Many of our failures will turn our successes if we use them as practices to guide us with determination and passion towards our next move. It may take a while, but I promise you'll get there. And finally, number 5, delay your pleasures. To achieve financial success this year, you must not be deceived by the things that provide immediate gratification. We are all tempted to spend money on things that will not provide long-term benefits. Robin Sharma, a well-known writer, stated that you should be willing to do what is difficult now in order to enjoy what is beautiful later. This also applies to achieving financial success. Don't be taken in by the lure of instant gratification. Time, money, and enthusiasm will all assist you in increasing your wealth. Many people disregard the boundary they have established against instant gratification because they believe I deserve this. Believing that you always deserve what you want will not lead to financial success. Instead, even if it is unpleasant, endure the temporary discomfort because it will eventually turn to pleasure. You will feel less angry, anxious, and stressed once you established healthy boundaries between yourself and these instant gratifications. Deferring pleasures can assist you in achieving worthwhile long term results. Not only that, it also helps you focus on what you really need rather than what you want right now. Set realistic goals and avoid being tempted by instant gratification. And there you have it. 5 actions you can take to increase your personal wealth and become richer every day. Do you have anything else to add to the list? Please share them in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all of the videos we'll be releasing in the coming days, weeks, and months. And that's it for today's video. If you learned anything new, please leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Get financially smart with your Clever Money Girl. See ya!